Okay. Once upon a time,
Zoom in.
there was a princess named was not trapped in the tower this time. She was trapped in her own house. So along came.
Sounds like me every day.
But you're not a princess.
No.
Or is he? Or is he? Dun dun dun.
No. I just hit my head on the wall. Ow. Okay.
What did you get? Okay.
What did I do to deserve that?
Came Corlem Ding Dong on his Pegasus.
You just said his.
On his Pegasus.
Who?
Corlem Ding Dong.
Oh, I didn't hear that part.
Okay, Corlem Ding Dong, also known as Corey, came down on his majestical Pegasus and lightly stomped on the roof, and the whole roof went kapow! And Serena was razzle dazzle. She was died. He's died. Okay. So he was razzle dazzle. She was razzle dazzled by She was by his. You still heard that? Okay. She was razzle dazzled by his beauty because he looked just like her. So
What?
he took her away on the magical Pegasus. But the story doesn't end there. There was a floating horse.
Oh, garbage on the car. That's fine.
There was a floating horse. Hi, tiny child. Rooster. And it was a rooster riding it. So Corey grabbed out his rooster bazooka and shot the horse. And the roosters pecked away at the horse until it fell into the ocean. Because they were riding into the sunset over the ocean. Because that's how every magical day is done. Okay, sorry.
By the way, I'm crying here.
Okay, I think Maddie should be crying. Yeah, okay.
The
They were
cameraman's.
over the ocean
Oh God.
that was filled with oil. Thank you, gas station, so much for the oil. We love you, gas station. Oh wait, what's that? Thank you, BP.
Ah! Okay, I'm
Yeah,
fine.
thanks, BP. Okay, so
Don't hit my phone.
where was I? Oil spill. So
Hold on, wait. The sun is in my eyes. Can't see if it's getting a good shot or not.
okay.
Alright, hold on. Wait. There. Oh God, that's way too close. Hold on, wait. Oh God, my phone. Okay, it's fine. I still can't see though. Hold on, wait. Oh God, that's way too close. Oh my God. Okay, there we go. Now it's.
So Serena always wanted to live on a farm. But Corey said, no, girlfriend. I ain't living on no big field farm.